To the Boho Babe Homestead Shop and Unbox channel. Today I'm unboxing this dresser. Okay guys, so Temu have not let me down yet, but I am not sure if they are about to, because this box is way bigger than the size of that damn thing that I ordered. And it's making me nervous, so just diving into this to see if we got the right thing. Floor is a bit dusty, so we're under construction. This dresser, this is for my kids' room, my son's room. And I got it to match his nightstand, and I also got a desk to match. I got the desk today as well, and it seems like the right size and all of that. I think I opened this upside down. Crap. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys, I got it open. Okay, the color is the right color. It's the grayish color. It's like the wood, but it's gray and sort of woodish. What am I saying? Wood tone. Because his nightstand matches the same thing. This is the design. It seems like it's the right thing, but it's more compact than mine because it has this little section here where it extends, because it's supposed to be oops, let me see if I can, the dimensions aren't here, but I think that's what got me, the little side area that needs to be added on. I think that's why it's so this little side area here. The drawers are fabric, the fabric ones. This is supposed to be 52 inches wide. The overall assembly is supposed to be 52 inches wide. That's why I expected it to be the box to be wider, I mean longer than my dresser, because my dresser was 40 something. But yeah, it's this, the little side pieces, and it has the socket, so his TV can plug, sorry, brain fuzz. His TV can mount above it. So those are those pieces. These are the drawers. They are the fabric drawers. Hopefully I got everything. Oops. Okay, so one. And the drawers just look the same as the top. This is pretty sturdy. The front part is pretty sturdy, so that's good. Do not lose anything, please. Hold on to these ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Take these. What's this? Oh, these are the pieces to go inside the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces here. Why are... oh, they're the same. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Take these. It's 8 drawers. Alright, I'm trying to see if we have the most important part in here, which is the top part of it. These are the nuts and bolts, the pieces for the assembly. This is the back, the back panel, which is the size of this box. It is the right size, because if this is this size and then those are to be added next to it, it's the right size, the right 50 something. All right, and there's that piece. It is so beautiful. I love it, and I will be assembling this on camera, hopefully on a live video or a timestamp video, because this is a lot of work. These are the handles. The handles are black, which will match his windows. But yeah, I got this for, I think this was 40 something. I will add the price in the title and the description, how much I got it for. They do come in different colors, different shades, and Temu again for the win with this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more. Head over to the Boho Babe Homestead channel to see the, if you want to see me assemble this, as well as what the house will look like when it's done. It has these little edge protectors on there. I don't think it's, I think they just put these in there to protect the edge of the wood while it's in transit, but you can use them just to protect the edges of your dresser. I got put it on and I can't get it back on. But it's pretty neat if you want to protect your edges, like protect yourself from sharp edges. That's pretty neat. It's also on the shorter pieces too, so there's that added bonus. Thanks for watching.